Hi everyone, this is a Kazan, city with more than 1000-year history, and this is a Simon. My team and I, we are doing house repair renovations, some flats, apartments, restaurants, offices and other facilities. And today I'm gonna show you guys some information about our beautiful city, about the facilities that we have and the works we are doing. So, a little bit about the Kazan. The city was established more than 1000 years ago, and until today it's located in the middle between east and west, in the inner of Russia. The population of our city is more than 1.5 million citizens, and we have a half Muslim and Christians. For example, I'm a Christian and my wife are Muslim. So, this is our plan. First of all, we are going to office. I want to show you our administration works. Next, we are going to objects. I want to introduce you to my guys and I want to show you how their works. And by the way, I want to show you our beautiful city and the houses, apartments, facilities in them.
Hi, I'm Nikita. We met Semyon and Alexei at a joint facility and pretty quickly became friends. A year later, we started renting an office together. At first, it was a small room of 12 square meters, but it was enough for us. I have a higher architectural education. I design such houses and interiors for them. I prefer the minimalism style. You know, right now we get a lot of different requests, but we try to work only within a certain style.
I'm Alexei. You know, about 6 years ago, Simon and I founded the Ремонт 16. This is translated as Repair 16 company together. Today we have a really big team that has been forming all this time, and I hope it will only grow. I am now in charge of finance. In the beginning of the summer, I started developing out internal software with a program to maintain our repos. I built implementations act a little as an office psychologist. I have an assistant, the only girl in your team, Maria. She works remotely from home and sometimes comes to visit you. Simon is responsible for advances marketing and content. In general, he is the face of our company. And also manager works on several case projects with Roman. Sergey is our key project manager. Roman is our technical director, controls the quality of work and also manages several facilities. Maxim and his assistant Ilhan manage the supply of materials for all objects. Vadim and Eric manage the projects. So keep in touch.
Our team consists of more than 50 masters. Everyone is an expert in their field. Our works are built on the principle of a conveyor. If we are talking about repairs, it goes like this. The dismantling team first prepares the object for repair. Everything is carefully covered up, and after they break, what is needed? Then electricians come in and lay communications. Next we plaster the walls. After that the plumbers do their job. Then come drywall workers, then tile makers, house painters and so on until the object is fully delivered. The project manager deals with the scheduler, finances and the cycles of materials. On average, 1 square meter of work costs from $300. It means for a great decision renovation of the house of 200 square meters, you will have to pay from $60,000. I don't know if it's expensive or not. Write the comments how much it's cost in your country.
Hi, I am Konstantin. I am engineer do electrical works. If builders from other countries are watching me, then you will probably be interested to know that our work does not require any special licenses and certificates. Everyone can make an electrician for themselves, but it must comply with certain standards. I have university engineering diploma, so I am in charge of technical drawings for the correct installation.
Hi, my name is Ruzal. We are fans of our work. We are colleagues called as Electric Special Forces. We are trying to work quickly and efficiently. For example, we work going to finish this object in a week. As well, in addition to work, we participate and methods competitions and take first places. We prefer to work with high quality tool Makita, Mitaba, Milwaukee, Tashbil, etc.
Hello, I am Marka. I am from Armenia and have been living in Kazan for many years. My father and I are builders. Our main specialty is house painting. I enjoy when apartments, offices and houses are getting beautiful in our hands.
Hello, colleagues. My name is Adam. I work with my friend Musa. Before we used to work independently, looking for orders. But we have been working in a team for a couple of years now. And it's so much more convenient. We have a curator. He removes a lot of questions. For example, we don't need to negotiate with designers some moment at project. You can spend a lot of time on it. We do drywall and painting preparation. In general, our team working in about 35 objects at the same time. We achieve high speed of work due to clear planning. It is very convenient that there is a full of accounting and supply of materials.
We have now developed a standard of plumbing work. Here we are in an apartment of 140 square meters, and he has been made a water and heating control system. This is a boiler, as our hot water is turned off twice a year. This is a filtration system, this is a water leaking protection system, and this is a heating and water supply collector. As you can see, all of them are of European brands, but Elsa, made by China and Russia, a radiator of Zender Heating, Germany. It's great to work with good quality equipment.
Hello, I'm Max. I have been with for team 3 years. I have how Simon, Alexei, Sergey Science School. In the team, I'm engaged in the simply for materials to objects, logistic and handyman.
Hello, I am Roman. I am technical director. It is one of my most favorite projects. Here the consumer interested us with the construction of the complex. Here used to be another house. We brought it down, built a sauna, garage, and shed, a barbecue, and the main house of 220 square meters. Now we are finished the renovation here. Architecture and design here have been made by Nikita. In total, the work to about 2 years, taken into account with the classroom landscaping as well. Here we have applied many different solutions. For example, heating of parks and playground, as we have very snowy winters. This remote control of as house. Also there is class, boiler room, video server.
Hello, my name is Azat. I command a link of plasters painters. We make the wall and ceiling perfect. Soon it will be 3 years since I'm on the team. During this time we have got good tool and clearly adjusted our work. I'm 26 years old. Modern interiors require high quality training, and from year to year we successfully adapt to trends and construction fashion. Our team has a balance of experience and energy, which is what gives us self-confidence and helps us achieve good results on time. It would be interesting to exchange experience with our foreign colleagues in future. I think this cooperation would benefit everyone.
Now we are starting a new facility. This is a house in the hospital center of Kazan. Center the house is 10 years old. Decided to complete rebuild everything. Now we are preparing to bring everything down. Pay attention to all tool. I am sure le worktop team have le game. This is how we park windows and ranches so as not to damage the property. И move to Kazan from the far east is used to have a strong real estate again and of a heavy fort myself is working with my hands.
Hi, my name is Eduard in Russia. There are now quite high standards for working with granite. I have a lot of tools. I need to be careful and attentive. The tiles I have to work with come from all over the world. Italy, Spain, Russia, India, China.
So guys, today you learned that Russia is not only vodka, banya and the nuclear bomb, it's also a good and very quality masters and very beauty design, house repair and renovation. So thank you for watching, bye!